So why am I here at a baseball field to talk about business networking? Oh, I think it's a great analogy, and I want to show you my 3 tips, so let's get started. Hi there, Dennis Riley, Goals to Results. I am here at a baseball field, home of the Cape Cod League Falmouth Commodores. As a small business owner, do you go to any networking groups? And if you do you have a system for it, or do you just go and wing it? What if I told you that having a business networking system has taken my business to the next level? Want to find out more? I want to give you 3 tips to help you find the right business networking group for you. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I want to show you the worksheet that I use to keep all my business systems in check. Also, for some great tips on business strategy, systems, and vision, please click on the subscribe button for this channel and make sure you click the bell to get notified. First off, I want to make sure that you realize that you need a system and a strategy for networking. Networking is too important for your business. It is a great place to find new customers and keep that pipeline going for your business. So let's get started. Tip number 1, get into the game. That's right, get into the game. Don't be on the sidelines. You want to be in the game. So let's go. Oh, forgot to tell you one thing. That game over there, when you're into that game, you are on a baseball team. One team, one game at a time. With networking, there are so many teams. Let me show you. Like I said, I'm here on the baseball field of Falmouth Commodores. They have 1 of 10 teams that are in the Cape Cod Baseball League. And guess what? I have all 10 hats. So I'm going to show you with each of the hats how many different groups there are. Chambers, B&I, meetups, business after hours, speaking, trade shows, associations, and also in the social realm, you got Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. There are a lot of hats here. What do? Can't wear them all at once, but I can wear one at a time. This one's a good fit. I think I'll wear this one first. Tip number 2, have a plan and take action. First of all, you want to do some research of those groups that I mentioned. Which one of those groups might interest you the most based on where your potential clients and customers could be at, where they hang out. That's where you want to go first, the people you hang out. But not only that, it's also the people who know your clients, potential clients, where they hang out. Because it's not just the egg you're looking for, you're also looking for chickens and the eggs. Therefore, you want to try to find out both your potential customers and maybe some people who know your potential customers, and you partner with them. Then once you do that, you start planning out which ones you're going to go to, and you're going to go there and you're going to show up. But make sure you have a plan showing up. I don't want you to just go there and all you're going to do is pass out business cards like it's food. All right? Don't do that. Go in, meet as many people as possible, shake their hands, but you ask the questions. Ask the questions while you have fun. Find out about them first. And once you find out about them, maybe you can have some more conversation. And at that point in time, maybe you do exchange business cards. And you shake their hands and you move on to the next person. What you do with that business card, I want you on the back, have a little mark that you're going to put. Either cold, warm, or hot. Okay, I don't care what kind of marks you put. Some people put stars, boxes, circles, whatever. 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 line, whatever you can. Do it quickly so that you know what your system. So and you're going to thank me because when you get home, you might have a lot of different business cards. You want to know which ones are the hot, the warm, and the cold. Tip number 3, follow up. Once the event is over, you're not done. Not even close to done. When you get back, I want you to take those hot leads that you had from those business cards. Remember on the back, you're going to have that check mark? Those hot leads, I want you to email right away, thinking it was nice to meet you, and would you like to follow up with a meeting? Whether it's by phone call, in person, whatever. Get the ball rolling and meet this person. You can also do that for the warm leads as well. The cold ones, don't do. There's only so many hours in a day. Just stick with that. I also have a bonus tip for you. That's right. There's a fourth one. Think outside the box. All right? Maybe you make your own event and you invite people. That's one way of networking. Another one is maybe you partner with someone else. That's another way that you can have events. You partner with someone else and you have a joint event. Another way is whatever group that you do go to, find out what the rules of that group is. I'll give you an example. I'm in a BNI group. I'm a member of a BNI group. There is a rule that I can go to other chapters twice a year, the same chapter twice a year, as long as I don't conflict with another seat. Right? I'm a business coach. What I did is I looked around my area and I found over 20 different chapters that I could go to with there's no conflict. So what I did is I went to 10 of them over the summertime. Just in the 2 months, I went to 10 of them. I got in front of 200 people that I would not have got in front of beforehand. That's what you want to do. Think outside the box. Not many people do that. Figure out how you can keep going and meet as many people as possible. Now that you have a business networking system, don't stop there. There are plenty of other systems in your business that you can use to help your business move forward, become more efficient. I have a worksheet that I want to give you that if you fill it out, you can figure out what areas of the company do you need to put a system in. If you liked what you saw today, please share it with someone else. I'd love you to do that. And also, comment below. I'd love to hear your comments. What systems are you using right now? Oh, and don't forget, I have other videos here. Check those out as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to see you next time. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to hear them. Take care and you have a great week.